have a video up a long time ago about how to cook an entire whole pumpkin in your pressure cooker. So you can do it in any size pressure cooker that actually fits your pumpkin. Hungry bought me a very big pumpkin, so this is the only thing it'll fit in besides my All-American. This is my Presto, and the Presto I use indoors, and the All-American outdoors. So let me get that pumpkin. I scrubbed it with a brush, and I'm going to put it in here, but I have to move the camera to do that. Okay, let's see if this works. I put my pumpkin in, and after I scrubbed it, it's got a little spot here, but it's got a bigger spot somewhere else that I can't find. This right here is a big spot that's going soft, so I've got to use it or lose it. Alright, I'm going to, I put 3 pints of water in the bottom. The pumpkin is on the rack. Water comes right up to the bottom of the rack. So I'm going to turn this on and let it come up to pressure, and I'll cook it for about 15 minutes, see if it's done. It's not hurt to follow the rules you're familiar with, as long as they're okay with the recipe. Should cook the pumpkin perfectly. I didn't cut it, I didn't poke it with a knife, I just put it in. So we'll see how that works out. Ooh, the pressure's getting built up. I'm still going to vent it another few minutes, maybe 4 more minutes. When the pressure goes up to 11 pounds or 10 pounds or whatever pounds, we just time it for 15 minutes. I think 15 might even be a little bit long. Maybe I'll just do it till 10. It's been 10 minutes. I'll let it come down to 0 pressure by itself. I'm not going to hasten it. Okay? And we'll be back. Look. It's wiggly. So, whoops. So it's cooked. So I'm just going to let it cool down, and then we'll take it out and take a peekie. Well, I can't pick it up, but it peels pretty easily. Now I'm just going to scoop out the seeds and scoop out the pulp. Sometime I'll make a pumpkin pie out of my little red book. So much for that pumpkin. Now I gotta wash the canner for no reason.